The Francis Scott Key Bridge in the city of Baltimore, Maryland, USA, suffered a tragic accident when a container ship collided with it, causing a section of the bridge to break and sink into the Patapsco River in the early hours of March 26. The incident has sparked alarm and concern within the local community. According to NBC News, a spokesperson for the Baltimore Police Department, Nikki Fenoy, confirmed that around 1:35 a.m., police received reports of the incident at the Francis Scott Key Bridge. Fenoy also stated that there is a possibility that some workers may be trapped underwater due to the collision. While the number of vehicles traveling on the bridge at the time of the accident is not yet clear, the New York Post reported that at least 7 individuals have been confirmed trapped under the Patapsco River, heightening the urgency of the situation. The Maryland Department of Transportation also had to close Interstate 695 due to the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge, severely affecting traffic in the area. The situation became extremely urgent as emergency services and rescue units deployed various measures to rescue the victims, including the use of helicopters. The reason why the container ship collided with the Francis Scott Key Bridge, causing this sturdy structure to break and sink into the river, is still unclear. However, the incident has caused a wave of concern and heartache within the local community, especially considering that the Francis Scott Key Bridge is considered a significant landmark of Baltimore, with its long-standing history and special significance.